Hello everyone, welcome to another video and hope you are doing very well. So today I will discuss some cool and very profitable affiliate program. Through those program you can earn a tons of money. Okay, let's go the first one. The first one is COLONBROOM. Okay, this is my favorite one, and you can earn tons of money because they pay you 10% of commission. Okay, they have a lot of program, like you can say, you can see that they have the program for affiliates, and if you influencer or brand ambassador, then you can earn through their through those kind of program. Okay, so you just simply visit the clonebroom.com and you can join their program. Okay, clonebroom.com/partner, then you can join as an affiliate, or if you are influencer in Instagram influencer, or the good YouTuber, you can join their program and you can earn tons of money through their program. Okay, over 100 million in the US are suffering from this kind of problem. They are providing this kind of solutions, and this is so cool to promote. Okay, you can see there a lot of people are using their product. Those are the pictures as a portfolio, you can show anyone. So this is very high conversion program. Okay, so if you want to earn a lot of money, just go through their program and you can earn a lot of money through their affiliate program. Okay, their product is very high selling. Okay, in the next one we are going to the sellhealth.com. This is my one of the most favorite for any kind of affiliate program. I promote their program a lot of time through PPC and propeller ads, push notification, or you can do through email marketing or any kind of marketing, whatever you want. Okay, so their program is very high, and you can earn, you can see this, they are 20 years in the health industry, 50 plus high converting offers. Okay, you can the advertising partner globally at almost 100,000. Okay, and the commission paid is, oh my god, you can see there how much they are paying. Okay, so sellhealth.com is my favorite. They actually provide you 30% commission. Okay, 30 to 50% commission, and for recurring sales they pay 5%. Okay, so if any customer again and again buy their product, then you also get the commission like 5%. This is very good, and this is the number one the health affiliate program. It's for uh, health affiliate program, and they have tons of products. Here you can see their products. Okay, and these are very high converting. Okay, 60% commission is possible. Massive commission, never lose a sale, live training session, human support they're providing, real-time SMS and sales notification. Okay, multiple payment option including PayPal, Wise, wire transfer, Bitcoin. A lot of program is there. So just simply visit the sellhealth.com and you will find the program. The next one is something funny and creepy, but it's cool. Okay, this is CROCMINT. CROCMINT is just $50 signing bonus. If anyone sign up through your referral link, you can earn 50 bucks. Okay, you can see that they are potential earning 10 sales per day, 10 downline affiliates. Okay, so your earning is daily $5,500. Okay, and you can earn a lot of money through their program. You can see their estimate of income. Just simply visit the CROCMINT.com and you will find their affiliate program, how you can join their support team. You can just email them or knock on Facebook or email. They will help you to find out the perfect products for you. Okay, the next one is the Market Health Affiliate Network. This is actually a affiliate network program, not a single the a lot of program single program is there. So you can earn 35 to 45 dollar plus the recurring commissions, 35 to 45 dollar or 50% of revenue share. Okay, they will also have the 50% revenue share program. Okay, just click the affiliate program link and why you should join there, getting paid, how much you can earn. Okay, payment option. Okay, skill, bank wire, prepaid debit card via Pioneer. They have a lot of options. So the next is the CLE Holistic Health. This program is run under the SalesShare. I told you SalesShare is a very good network to earn there, but you can earn 40% of their commission. Okay, high quality nutrition supplement health concern. So this is also very high converting. All of my 10 program is very high converting and those are very good. Okay, so they have a lot of programs. They are working since 2001. You can see their vitamin D or other program, immune system development program, health, blood pressure. They have a lot of program. Okay, so the next one is BEAUTYSTOREDEPOT.com. So this is actually a beauty store, but you can join their affiliate program through SalesShare. Okay, SalesShare, if you join the SalesShare, then you can share a sale, then you can find their program. Okay, they have a lot of program like 11% commission. Whatever you suggest, you will get 11% commission through their network. Okay, so this is a full service beauty and skincare e-commerce site founded in 2005 with the goal of offering beauty products, and they have 20 years experience, so it's good. So I never work on this affiliate program, but you can work. I know this is very good because some of my friends are using their affiliate program and they are earning a lot. Okay, so okay, the next program is called the Nutria Profits. Nutria Profits actually very well, and you can earn 40% of their commission. Okay, if you join their program, you can earn 40% commission. Average commission you can see $34, $29. Nutria Profits, this is actually a network, not a single offer. They have weight lossing product, bodybuilding product, other product. Weight loss is okay, very common. So the next one is the Alaviva. Just simply visit the alaviva.com and you can find their affiliate program. They don't clarify their affiliate. their affiliate commissions, but you can, if you contact with them, they will help you to earn a good or a moderate amount of money. Okay, I didn't work with that, but if you join or contact with them, they will help you. Okay, so the next one is the natural revenue. Oh my god, this is so good. Naturalrevenue.com, just simply visit there, and you can check out their affiliate commissions. Okay, great commissions, high conversion, exclusive offer, worldwide sale, free personalized material, optimized content. Okay, latest companies. Okay, they're very good. 30% commission per sale. Whatever you sell, you will get 30% of commission. Okay, visit the affiliate program, payment option, PayPal. And the last one is the integrity. Okay, integrity botanicals. This is also a healthcare brand, and a lot of health and cosmetics product they have. Okay, so you also need to join their program through sell share sl. Okay, sharesl.com. But their earning, their product is high converting. You can see their program, their product is very eye catchy, and a lot of, especially female consumer, are very likely to grab this kind of products. Okay, so their commission is little bit low, but sale is very high. Okay, so commission low but sell high, actually, and ultimate the winner. Okay, so those were the affiliate programs for beauty, health and beauty niche. My personal favorite is CloneBroom, sellhealth.com, CROCMINT. I never worked that, it's not my favorite. The markethealth.com, this is high conversion, I like their programs. Beauty store, Nutria Profits. Okay, this is also very good and high converting. Every product is very high converting. Okay, and there you can see their commission 30%, $34. Okay, a lot of companies working with them, so you can join their program. Okay, and you can see in which country you can promote their program. Commission structure is very good. Okay, so this was our today's video. So hope you are doing very well and enjoying our videos. So if you want to get more of our information like this, we will give you the information. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will give you every week some extremely good affiliate programs, so you can earn a lot of money. If you have any health related niche blog or YouTube channel, you can promote their program. Okay, health related blogging is very popular, and a lot of people are today, they are very health conscious. Okay, so if you sell the health related products, and those are all are very old and dominating proven products, so if you sell their products, they are very high converting. People grab these products, they need this program. Okay, they need this type of products, so you can earn. And in health niche, if you want to join any blogging or YouTube channel, those kind of offer is not too much crowdy, like in if you visit Clickbank or other affiliate networks, their programs are highly competitive. A lot of people are promoting their product, so the competition is very high. So if you direct contact with the supplier, then your commission will be very high, and the competition is very low. They will also help you how to promote there, where to promote there. If you want to run a CPC ad or any push ad or pop ads, they will help you. Okay, just talk to it their affiliate manager. Yeah, I want to run a CPC program, I want to run a YouTube ads or Google ad, Facebook ad, whatever you want to do, they will help you. They're very helpful, and your earning will be very high. You can earn tons of money through those kind of health and beauty related affiliate programs. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hope you enjoy the videos, and if you think this video is something meaningful to your life or your online journey or your passive income, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, your appreciation help us motivate us to provide more videos like this. Okay, so no more today, see you in the next video. Till then, take care, and don't forget to share the video and subscribe our channel. Okay, so goodbye. Don't forget to share the channel. Take care. See you in the next video.